So guys, for the first step, you're going to head it with search and type in File Explorer options. Click on it. And then once you're on this, make sure you're on the general tab. Now where it says open File Explorer 2, you're going to set this to this PC. And now under privacy, you're going to untick everything here. Untick all of this. And now you're going to click on clear. And then click on apply. And then click on OK. And now for the second step, you're going to head it with search and type in File Explorer. Click on it. And then once you're on this, in the path right here in File Explorer, in the path, you're going to click once. And now you're going to copy and paste the path, which will be right here. There's going to be two of them in the description. Copy and paste the first one. We're going to do Control-C to copy it. And then come to File Explorer. And now right here in the path, you just want to do Control-V to paste it. And then click on Enter, which will now take us to here. You want to delete everything in this folder. Do Control-A on your keyboard, which will now select everything. And then click on Delete. Delete everything in this folder. And now for the second path, we're going to copy this as well. Delete this path right here. Paste in the new one, and then click on Enter. And then do the same thing. Control-A to highlight everything, and then click on Delete. Delete everything in those two folders. And now for the next step, you're going to head it with search and type in Registry Editor. Click on it, and then click on Yes. And then once you're on this, you can follow everything that I'll be doing up here. So first you want to expand HG current user, and then you want to expand software, and then you want to expand Microsoft. And now you're going to expand Windows. We're going to scroll down till we find Windows. You're going to expand Windows. And now you're going to expand current version. And now you're going to expand Explorer. And now you're going to find the ribbon folder. You're going to scroll down till you find ribbon. Here it is. You're going to click on the folder. And now this will appear on the right side. And now you're going to find this right here. QATLTEMS. You're going to find this. Right click on it. And then click on Delete. And then click on Yes. And this will now fix your problem. If the problem is still not fixed, then just restart your computer, and then the problem should be fixed.